Hi there, and welcome to a video about food in different countries in Europe. I will tell you about popular food in a row. Well, let's start with Switzerland. Switzerland is a country with a rich culinary tradition, influenced by its German, French, and Italian neighbors, as well as its own unique regional dishes. Here are some popular foods in Switzerland. Cheese. Switzerland is famous for its cheese, particularly varieties such as Emmental, Gruyere, Appenzeller, and Raclette. Chocolate. Swiss chocolate is world-renowned for its quality and taste, with brands such as Lindt, Toblerone, and Nestlé originating from Switzerland. Rosti. This dish is made from grated potatoes that are fried until crispy and served as a side dish or with various toppings. Fondue. A Swiss specialty, fondue is a melted cheese dip that is traditionally served with bread, potatoes, and vegetables. Zurich-style veal. A classic Swiss dish made with veal in a creamy sauce and served with crispy hash browns. Bircher muesli. A Swiss-style muesli made with oats, nuts, fruit, and yogurt, invented by Swiss physician Maximilian Bircher-Benner. Raclette. A popular dish consisting of melted cheese served with boiled potatoes, pickles, and cured meats. Zopf. A traditional Swiss bread made from light flour and milk, often braided and served at special occasions. Alpler Magranen. A Swiss pasta dish made with macaroni, potatoes, and cheese, often served with caramelized onions and applesauce. Basler Lackerli. A type of spiced gingerbread originating from Basel, often served with coffee or tea. And of course, the French cuisine can't be missed in this video. France is known for its delicious cuisine and is famous for its varied culinary traditions. Here are some popular French foods. Croissants. A buttery, flaky pastry that is usually eaten for breakfast or as a snack. Baguette. A long, thin loaf of bread that is a staple in French cuisine and is often used for making sandwiches. Coq au vin. A classic French dish made with chicken cooked in red wine, bacon, mushrooms, and onions. Ratatouille. A vegetable stew made with eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions. Steak frites. A simple but delicious dish of steak served with fries. Escargots. A delicacy made with cooked snails served in their shells with garlic butter. Crème brûlée. A creamy dessert made with vanilla custard and caramelized sugar on top. Tarte tatin. An upside-down apple tart made with caramelized apples and a buttery pastry crust. Bouillabaisse. A fish soup made with a variety of fish, vegetables, and herbs. Cheese. France is famous for its wide variety of delicious cheeses, such as Brie, Camembert, Roquefort, and Comte. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's Turkey. Of course, not the turkey you can eat. I am talking about the country. Turkey has a rich and diverse culinary culture with a wide variety of popular foods. Here are some examples. Kebabs. This is probably the most famous Turkish food worldwide. It is a grilled meat dish, usually made with lamb or beef, and served with rice, salad, and flatbread. Baklava. A sweet pastry made of layers of phyllo dough filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with honey or syrup. Turkish delight. Also known as lokum, it is a sweet, jelly-like confection made of starch and sugar, flavored with rosewater or citrus. Pied. A type of Turkish pizza made with a soft, thin crust and topped with meat, cheese, vegetables, or eggs. Mies. A selection of small dishes served as an appetizer or side dish, including stuffed grape leaves, hummus, and eggplant dip. Iskender kebab. a type of kebab served on a bed of bread, topped with tomato sauce, yogurt, and butter. Manti. Small dumplings filled with ground meat or cheese, similar to Italian tortellini. Lammakin. A thin, crispy flatbread topped with minced meat, vegetables, and spices. Dolma. Vegetables such as peppers, eggplants, or grape leaves stuffed with a mixture of rice, meat, and spices. And Turkish breakfast. A hearty breakfast spread that includes bread, cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, and often boiled eggs and honey. Now we are going to the next one. Let's hear what kind of Dutch food the Netherlands has. The Netherlands has a diverse and delicious cuisine, with a range of dishes that reflect its history and culture. Here are some popular foods in the Netherlands. Stroopwafel. This is a delicious treat made of two thin waffles with a caramel syrup in the middle. Poffertjes. These are small, fluffy pancakes, usually served with butter and powdered sugar. Dutch cheese. The Netherlands is famous for its cheese, including Gouda, Edam, and Maasdam. Herring. Raw herring is a popular snack in the Netherlands, often eaten with onions and pickles. Kroket. This is a deep-fried, crispy snack filled with a mixture of meat ragu and spices. Bitterballen. Similar to croquette, bitterballen are small, crispy balls filled with a mixture of beef or veal broth, flour, butter, and herbs. Stampot. This is a traditional Dutch dish made of mashed potatoes mixed with vegetables, such as kale or sauerkraut, and served with a meaty sausage or bacon. Dutch pea soup, erwtensoep. This is a thick soup made of peas, vegetables, and meat, usually served with rye bread. Appeltaart. This is a traditional Dutch apple pie, made with a crust of short crust pastry and filled with slices of apples, cinnamon, and sugar. Oliebollen. These are deep-fried donuts, often eaten during the Dutch New Year's Eve celebrations. Then the cuisine of one of the most visited places by tourists in Europe. Spain has a rich and diverse culinary tradition with many delicious and popular dishes. Some of the most famous Spanish foods include paella, a classic Spanish rice dish made with saffron, chicken, seafood, and vegetables. Tortilla española, a thick omelet made with potatoes, onions, and eggs. Gazpacho, a cold soup made with tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, garlic, and bread. Churros, a fried dough pastry that is often served with hot chocolate for dipping. Patatas bravas, crispy fried potatoes served with a spicy tomato sauce. Croquetas, small fried rolls filled with ham, chicken, or cheese. Pulpo a la gallega, Galician-style octopus, boiled and then served with paprika, salt, and olive oil. Jamon iberico, cured ham made from free-range Iberian pigs. Huevos rotos, fried eggs served over crispy potatoes and ham. Flan, a creamy, custard-like dessert typically made with eggs, milk, and sugar. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and popular foods in Spain. Now the cuisine of Germany. Germany has a rich culinary tradition with a variety of delicious and hearty foods. Here are some of the most popular foods in Germany. Bratwurst, a type of sausage made from pork or beef, typically grilled or pan-fried. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage that is often served as a side dish with sausages or meat dishes. Schnitzel, a thin, breaded and fried cutlet of meat, usually pork or veal. Currywurst, a type of sausage that is sliced and served with a spicy tomato-based sauce. kartoffelpuffer. Potato pancakes that are often served with applesauce. Spätzle. A type of egg noodle that is often served with gravy or cheese. Rouladen. Thinly sliced beef rolled around bacon, onions, and pickles, then simmered. Let's go further with the beautiful Italy. Italy is known for its delicious and diverse cuisine, with a wide range of regional specialties. Some of the most popular Italian foods include pizza. This dish originated in Naples and is now popular worldwide. It typically consists of a thin crust topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings. Pasta. Italy is famous for its pasta dishes, with over 600 different shapes and varieties. Some popular pasta dishes include spaghetti carbonara, fettuccine alfredo, and lasagna. Gelato. This Italian ice cream is made with fresh ingredients and comes in a variety of flavors. It is often served as a dessert or a refreshing treat on a hot day. Risotto. This creamy rice dish is a staple in northern Italy and can be made with a variety of ingredients such as mushrooms, seafood, or vegetables. Tiramisu. This popular dessert is made with layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, mascarpone cheese, and cocoa powder. Panini. This Italian sandwich typically consists of a grilled or toasted ciabatta roll filled with various meats, cheeses, and vegetables. Antipasti. This is a traditional Italian appetizer, typically consisting of cured meats, cheese, olives, and vegetables. Bruschetta. This popular dish consists of grilled bread topped with olive oil, garlic, and fresh tomatoes, often served as an appetizer. Parmigiana. This dish is made with layers of eggplant, tomato sauce, and cheese, often served as a main course. Ossobuco. This slow-cooked dish consists of veal shanks braised with vegetables and white wine, often served with risotto. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe for more.